Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can create a boomerang video on Snapchat on Android. Okay, it's easy. So let's get into it. And then once you've opened up Snapchat, you want to record a simple, quick video, like 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to hold the record button and let it go. So you can see I created a simple video right now, and then you'll notice a button right over here that has like a circle with an infinity sign in it. Okay, what you want to do is you want to click on that, and basically if you continue to click on it, it says 1, meaning that it's going to loop once, but we want it to continue looping over and over again. So you want to make sure that it's on loop, and then you have that infinity sign right there. So it's right over there, and then basically that's it. If you click on the video, you can see it looping there. And then you can basically add another one if you want. So I can record another one and it will also loop. Okay, so that's it. So if this video helped you out, and then basically you can share this video. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.